Namaste, one and all. Today I will be teaching Aigiri Nandini, one of the very popular Devi song. The Devi Stotram, written by Sri Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya. Over a period of time, some unknown composer set some ragam taram for this stotram and made it a beautiful song, which is globally much more popular nowadays. Aigiri Nandini. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini. It goes like this, Devi song. And most of the Navaratri season time, this is a quite popular song. Of course, we all know. Now, without delay, I will go to the song. I will show you in keyboard how we can play on this keyboard. And this is in the ragam Punnagavaradi, which is a janya of raga Todi. Let's see the keyboard part. Aigiri Nandini. Here I have kept a harmonium too. I'm using the Casio CTX9000IN, the Indian model Casio keyboard. And then let me start with the, let me switch on from the beginning. Let me switch on the keyboard, and then I choose an Indian tone. Okay, start with the sitar. I want to keep the harmonium 2. Okay, harmonium 1, harmonium 2. This is the harmonium 2. Sounds like this. Kept. I'll keep the -4. -4. That means C sharp. Very nice. Comfortable for everybody. Okay. I'll be showing the Aigiri Nandini. This is the Todi Janyam, Raga Hanuma Todi Janyam. I kept harmonium and transpose -4. That means G sharp pitch. Okay, suits for everybody, for kids, adults. Okay. Risa sa sa risa sa risa sa sa risa sa risa sa sa risa sa sa risa ni 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 re 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 sa risa ni ni sa sa ringa re re sa. Okay, that's the fingering. Sa re sa, thumb is the sa, sitting on the sa. Sa re sa 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 re sa. Sa re sa 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 re sa. Sa re sa 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 re sa. 3 times I played. Then sa sa re sa ni ni, lower ni 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 re 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 re. Okay, re 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 sa re sa. Ni 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 sa sa ri ga ri ri sa ri it played the same in the higher octave. Ri sa 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 ri sa sa ri sa 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 ri sa sa ri sa 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 ri sa ri sa ni 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 ri 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 ma ri ri sa ri sa. You can, that's what some variation you can take the ma ri ri ma ri ri ma ri ri sa ri sa. You can use the ma. Ni ni ri 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 sa ri sa, or ni ni ri 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 ma ri ri sa ri sa. Okay, just for a change. Ma ri ri sa ni 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 sa ri ga ri ri sa. So it's a loop song. Keep repeating the same swaras. The lyrics will be keep changing. It's a very lengthy song. So kept the karaoke also composed. Maybe on 3-4 times you can play. I mean, if you are playing on the instrument, while like violin or keyboard, okay. So 3-4 times you can play it and end it. Let me play once. 3 times I will play here. Sa re sa sa re sa re sa re sa ni ni re ma re sa ni ni sa re ga re sa sa re sa ni sa re ga re sa re sa re sa ni ni re ma re sa ni ni sa re ga re sa ni sa re ga re sa ni sa re ga re sa. 3 times you play the ending part, and then have kept the karaoke for you. You can have a look video. So you can practice with that karaoke. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.